Okay, hi, gorgeous.
My name is Zara.
How old are you, sweetie pie?
4.
Do you know what the date is today?
It is 1/27/2026.
That's right. Okay, perfect. And tonight we're going to be doing a couple of map puzzles, right? And so we're going to show off your skills. All right, let's do this. So we're going to start off with Africa.
Oh, fine.
Okay.
We lost a few pieces.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. South Africa. Um. Madagascar.
Very good.
Sudan. Ethiopia. Libya.
Put that one back.
Oh. Algeria.
Very good.
These are way too small. Leave them here. So way too small for potatoes. Tunisia. Somalia. Mauritania.
Yeah, Mauritania.
Western Sahara.
Mm-hmm.
Mozambique. South Sudan. Chad. Niger. No, we're not there. Namibia.
What is it?
Namibia.
I think it's Namibia.
Namibia. Yeah, it's in Namibia. Angola.
Angola.
Botswana.
Yeah, that's right, Botswana.
Zimbabwe.
Mm-hmm.
Zimbabwe and early Ghana in Africa. Morocco. Mali. Democratic Republic of Congo.
That's right. The DRC.
Kenya, Nigeria, Egypt, Zimbabwe,
What river is this?
Zambia, the Nile River.
What's that one?
Tanzania.
Very good. What's that one?
That one is Cameroon.
Keep saying them as you go.
Uganda.
Uganda. Okay.
Malawi. There's a movie called Malawi. Rwanda, I mean. Congo. Gabon. Welcome to Gabon.
Welcome to Gabon.
Burkina Faso.
Right.
Guinea.
Guinea. Very good.
Senegal.
Mm-hmm.
Côte d'Ivoire. Ghana. Central African Republic.
Very nice.
Benin.
Mm-hmm.
Togo.
You got these two left over.
Rwanda. Rwanda and Burundi are very poor, right?
I
think so.
Probably. They're landlocked. I don't really know that much about it.
Maybe they could do a train and travel and get a little bit of water to travel to Uganda and get some water there. Maybe maybe they can hunt some fish, but I think they're poor.
We'll watch some videos on them when we're done.
And then if they sound a little poor, they're poor.
Yeah.
Burundi.
Okay, beautiful. All right, let me just show this off for the camera. Very nice. Okay, on to the next one. All right, let's do United States.
USA.
USA. Okay, here we go. Let's do
We're a big mess of them. You move them.
Yeah.
So,
Careful not to tip any over the table. Okay.
I think they should be all here. You
All
have
right.
some more space.
Perfect. Let's get this going.
Now let's get this going. See, it's safe for you. It can't fall off.
Yeah.
If it fall off, it breaks.
Good breaks.
Oh well.
All right, show me speed.
Michigan.
Bam.
Oregon. Hawaiian Islands. Alaska. Idaho. Montana. Arizona. Washington. California. OCC. That's too late in the morning. Stop CC. I want to go there. No choice. Wisconsin.
Beautiful.
New Mexico. Utah. Texas. That's what happens when you do it without an outline.
Yeah.
It goes in the wrong spot.
Yeah.
I tried that. It didn't work. Colorado. Nevada. Isn't Nevada really pretty in the other map puzzle?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really pretty in the other one. But in this thing, they just added blue. So in this case, it's not very pretty.
Yeah.
But then in the other map puzzle, it's like a city. It's
Very nice.
Nebraska. Georgia. Wyoming. Little Rock. Stew. Missouri. Louisiana. That's what exactly happened. Liberations. What's up, my Mississippi. Florida. Kansas. Kansas always goes at the bottom. Illinois.
Illinois.
Minnesota. South Dakota. Just turn them all over so it's a little easier.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
North Dakota.
Very nice.
Iowa.
What do they grow in Iowa?
Dirt. Pepper.
No, no, no.
I don't know.
Pig farms.
Oh,
A lot of pig farms in Iowa.
Maine. New York.
That's
Pennsylvania.
very nice.
Alabama.
Very nice.
North Carolina. Tennessee. Tennessee looks like a mad shark. Then you look like a shark. This is eyes, this is mouth.
It's funny.
The mad shark. What is this skin? Tennessee. Ohio. Georgia. South Carolina. Kentucky. New Hampshire, Vermont.
Very good.
Rhode Island, Connecticut, Boston, Massachusetts. Virginia. New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland. I think Maryland. Indiana, we're losing a piece.
It's right there.
West Virginia.
Very nice. In the interest of speed, I'm going to do this kind of fast because the battery in my phone is running out. Okay. Let's do
This one.
Asia puzzle. Yeah. Okay. Bam. Okay.
Well, if your phone fully runs out of battery, you can charge it and then do it while you charge it.
I know, but I'd rather you just
Do it.
show with your speed and solve it in time. So don't let me down.
China.
Hey. Bam.
Mongolia.
That's my girl.
Saudi Arabia.
Uh-huh.
India.
Uh-huh.
Iraq.
No, that's not Iraq. That's Iran.
Iran. But close, right?
You was close.
Close to Iraq.
Close to Iraq. That's true.
Kazakhstan.
That's right.
That's the one. Indonesia?
It's Indonesia.
It's Indonesia.
Yeah.
This?
Yep. Yep.
Indonesia.
Indonesia. What's that one?
Japan. Laos. Turkmenistan.
That's right.
Myanmar.
Myanmar. That's right. I've been pronouncing that wrong for a while. That was Daddy's fault.
Philippines.
Nice.
Thailand.
Mm-hmm.
Borneo.
That's right. Nice.
Papua New Guinea. Vietnam. Oh yeah, that's what happens when you do one piece. Iraq. Uzbekistan. Pakistan. Sumatra. Yemen. Java. Oman.
Oman.
Oman. Turkmenistan. Turkey. Afghanistan.
Afghanistan.
Caspian Sea.
Oh, nice. Is that salt water or fresh water?
Fresh water.
Very good.
It's moving water. Tinkama.
Tajikistan.
So why is it just tink?
It's Tajik.
So why is it tink?
I don't know, but hurry up, because
Maybe-
I don't want my battery to die. Tajikistan.
Maybe it's because they didn't have enough space. Now do this.
Yeah.
Georgia.
That's right. That's Georgia.
Gabon.
No, that's Cambodia.
Cambodia. Okay, we have 5 more minutes until it's out of battery, right?
Yeah, you gotta hurry. But that was Israel that you put in, right?
I think we have to do without the words.
No, just do the words. Come on, do your best.
Afghanistan.
No, that's Bangladesh.
Okay. Jo- Jordan.
Jordan, that's right.
The phone went out.
Yeah. For speed, I'll help you out with. There you go. Nice job.
Syria.
Yeah, that's Sri Lanka.
Lanka. It's because it was kind of short worded.
Yeah.
Now let's go so quickly. We have 5 more minutes.
Okay, what's that?
That one. UAE.
That's right.
Sulawesi Atoll.
Very good.
South Korea.
Nice.
Sabah.
Nice.
Where Sabah
It
lives.
is, yeah.
Malay.
Yep, Malaysia.
That's
Singapore.
Singapore. How many minutes do we have left? 1 or 2? I think it's 2.
We're doing all right. We're doing all right. Don't feel like you have to rush,
I feel like I have to rush.
but
North Korea.
beautiful.
Korea. Nepal. Can you help me out, please? Taiwan. Can you please help me out?
With what?
Just by picking them up for me?
Picking them up for you.
Syria.
And only one left.
Then how many more minutes do we have?
And that's Kyrgyzstan. Okay.
We have so less minutes left.
We're going to try to do one more, but you can totally do it because you're so fast. Okay, Europe puzzle. Boop. And...
And one more. Denmark.
Okay.
This is harder because it's foam.
Yep.
Sweden. United Kingdom. Spain. Finland. Ukraine. That is it.
I'll hold it still so it doesn't move on you.
France.
Nice.
Norway.
Beautiful.
Portugal. Italy. Netherlands. Belgium. Poland. Germany. Switzerland. Lithuania. Greece. Serbia. Belarus. We have so less minutes left.
I know, you gotta go, hurry.
Serbia. Bulgaria. Latvia. Serbia. Iceland. Croatia. I think we are going to be done in. We have 0 minutes.
You're on target. You're gonna make it though, but keep it up. There's not a second to lose.
Estonia.
That's right.
Austria.
Nice.
Czech Republic.
That's right.
Romania. Moldova. Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Mm-hmm.
Hungary. And finally,
Yay! All right. Great job, Zara. How hard was that?
easy.
Nice.
Look, my chair is going up.
All right, come back here and wave to the camera. Say bye.